Museful creations, come and see, crafted with joy soulfully.
I'm showing you here the Gilded Teal Archive junk journal kit that I will be using to create this junk journal make, if you will. Now, I'm going to start by tea staining the white envelope, but I'm going to use my heat tool for just a little bit, but then I want to put it to the side and allow it to fully dry because I wasn't sure whether or not I was going to use that clear window on the envelope, but I will. And then what I want to do is show you a little bit of my process and how I like to work on the cover. Because I started with one idea in mind and it completely changed. And then I'll show you the scoring and how I came about, and you'll see me go back and forth a little bit because I'm literally changing in midstream what I thought I wanted to do and then what I ended up creating. Now I'm going to take my Vintage Specimen Frame rubber stamp with jet black and I'm going to stamp it on this coral paper. I will then take the leftover ink on the stamp on a scrap piece of paper and cut out the inner square. Next, I will use tea stain on the inner square that I cut from watercolor paper. Next, as you see, I'm using the distressing edge tool and will use the ISC Nature Silhouette rubber stamp on the square piece that I tea stained. Grab your scoring tool and trimmer. What you're going to do, depending on the width or the length, my envelope is 9 inches by 12. And what I want to do is have the window facing up towards the right of my trimmer. And I'm going to score at 4.5 inches, 5 inches, 8.5 inches, 8 3/4 of an inch. Turn your envelope, and on the 9-inch side, you're going to put it on your scoreboard at 6 7/8. But watch carefully how I'm kind of pivoting because I had one idea in mind and then went into something else. But I'm going to go silent so that you can see how I end up creating the mismatch. Literally, I created 3 different envelopes on this surface. So this started as a simple envelope idea and turned into a purposeful little journal with pockets, pages, and places to tuck all the good stuff. And I also used piano roll paper on the cover and did a little bit of stitching. And here's a pocket, a journaling card, and I did do a little bit of washi tape on clear sticker paper and a little bit of ribbon here. And on the inside, the window that I shared with you earlier, you have that pocket there. And here I just did a little circle embellishment with some journaling pages and the spine that I've shared before that I like to use an envelope. I turned it into a pocket. And here you have another area that you can journal on the flap, which is the second part of the envelope. And here's a journaling card. And here's the third flap, if you will. I created one pocket, a second pocket. I could have done a third one, but I said it's okay. And then here, I used 2 brads to create a little mini journaling area. And of course, I did add some thick chipboard to the outer spine and also to on top of the craft envelope that I use. Sorry for the glare. And next I will share the winner.